All right, today we're drawing the Dee Dee Zombie. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So when I started off with this, I was thinking, I was thinking of the Ramones, and so I thought, well, I'll draw Dee Dee Ramone. I've never drawn him. Let's take a crack at it. And as I started drawing it, I realized that, let's just make him a zombie. Let's just do it that way. And I think he looks less Dee Dee Ramone and more like a generic kind of 60s garage rock character, but I figured just go with it. Just keep drawing. And there's my really bad attempt at hair. I'm not good at it, but I keep trying. I figure one day I'll figure it out, and I'll be an ace at drawing bad hairdos. But kept this one a flat color. Didn't do the watercolor brush that I usually use in some of the stuff. So this one's pretty flat. I think the go-to from comic books is if it's black in color, you throw the blue on top. So he's got the black hair with blue, and then the leather jacket with the blue. Again, this one was very quick, very simple. Is a doodle. I didn't really think this one all the way out, but I did end up doing last minute this weird comic book halftone texture to it. I'm not that crazy about it. There it is right there. It's okay. Hey, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you.